today we will explain our media. The title of our media is Studying Color by Using Origami. Okay, I will introduce myself. My name is Kartini as Maker Media, and Devya Atikah as Demonstrator, and Rofiqoh Husna as Editor. Nah, bahan-bahannya itu ada kertas karton, lem, pulpen, gunting, dan origami.
Well, the next step, we can make some of shape that will show the color of origami. As you can see in this video, we make a plane from origami. The color is blue, and if you want make this media too, you can make another shape or another things. And then the next step, we want to make a head of dog. The color is brown. You can follow the step fold by fold. And next, you can put the glue and stick it on the things that we have made on the paper board, like this, yeah. And next, you can write down on your paper board the name of the color. So next step is the procedure to use this media will be explained by Atikah.
I will explain how to ink by using this media. First, I will explain about rough colors until they understand. After understand, I will give a question for children. I will show this color and ask them, what color is this? So your hands, if you can answer. For those, I will give this gift. Thank you.